Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Battery saws. Stihl battery-powered chainsaws bring the best of both worlds to your property. First, they deliver strong, consistent power thanks to their 36-volt lithium-ion technology. They're also significantly quieter than gasoline-powered chainsaws and start instantly with the squeeze of a trigger.
Take our lead.
Our top picks. Best overall. Makita XCU03Z 18 volts X2LXT brushless cordless chainsaw. Runner-up. Greenworks Pro 80 volts 18-inch cordless chainsaw. Best bang for the buck. Black Plus Decker 20 volts max cordless chainsaw. Upgrade pick. DeWalt 16-in. Best compact. DeWalt 20 volts max XR chainsaw, 12-inch. Best heavy duty. Best pole saw.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Based on how often and extensively you use your chainsaw will have an impact on which quality and price, homeowner saw, you choose. If you're looking for occasional use, expect to spend around $200 per saw. For more extensive use and longer run times, expect to spend in excess of $350.
Take our lead.
About 2,000 hours. Information we found online suggests that Stihl Pro chainsaws have a run time of about 2,000 hours. That means the saw would last you for a minimum of 5.5 years before dying. Keep in mind this time is rated for professional chainsaws and not for regular homeowner saws.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.